Hello guys and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up your Streamlabs OBS for streaming. So let's begin. First go to settings. From here you're going to go to stream. You're going to set up all this. You can select streaming services, for example Twitch, YouTube and everything else. But if you want to go to custom, you will need your URL and string key. Let's go to output, select advanced. From here you're going to select audio track 1, encoder. If you have AMD, then you're selecting this one. If you have NVIDIA, just select NVIDIA HVH.264. From here you're going to rescale output and click use custom and set it to 1920 by 1080. Set rate control to CBR. Then from here your bitrate will depend on your upload speed. With an upload speed be above 12 megabytes per second, set bitrate to 8000. If your upload speed is below 10 megabytes per second, then set bitrate to 4000. For YouTube streams with an upload above 40 megabytes per second, set bitrate to 10,000. Set keyframe interval to 1. Preset, set it to quality. And profile main. Max B frames, set to 2. Go to audio. Sample rate 48. Set channels to stereo. Select the desktop audio menu. You can, if you have multiple desktop audio device too, set it to the other one. If you do not have, just check disabled. Mic, set it to your current mic. But I'm going to disable that just for a second because I'm recording this video. Go to video, then set base canvas resolution to your screen resolution, or 1920 times 1080. Aspect ratio is 69, of course. Common FPS value, set it to 60. Downscale filter, lengths, hotkeys. Here, start streaming. You can adjust this if you want. It is better always to have it than to be on default, so you have to click it every time. So you can set this to keybind you would like, for example F4, and to stop streaming on